Yawning feels natural, but why do we yawn when others do it? You see someone yawn and suddenly you yawn too. No, it's not magic. It's your brain copying what it sees. Scientists believe yawning spreads because of something called mirror neurons. These neurons fire when we see someone else doing an action. It's like your brain is saying, I feel that too. Yawning might be one of the brain's ways to show empathy. People who are more empathetic tend to yawn more when others do. So next time someone yawns, it might just mean your brain is connecting. Wild, right? Your brain is more social than you think.